Hi everyone, I'm Linda from Colourwerx Designs and welcome into my coloricious quilting world. I love everything about wonky piecing, easy machine applique, and of course color. And I'd love to introduce you to my current roster of workshops and lectures. I present all of my programs virtually as well as in person. For virtual events, we use the most up-to-date streaming, audio, and video equipment to ensure that you receive the most professional program possible. My newest workshop for 2022 is Topaz, 2 techniques in 1 workshop. The first technique is precision piecing, and I'll share all of my most valuable tips and tricks to help students refine and perfect their 1/4-inch seams. Our second technique is foundation or paper piecing. While working on this easy triangle pattern, I'll take you step by step through the beginning basics of paper piecing. Both of these techniques come together to make these 2 units, which in turn make the gorgeous Topaz quilt. Another fun 2 technique in 1 class is bodacious blossoms. Using just pairs of fat quarters and paper template shapes, students will make both the leaf and the flower block in class. Students will learn to perfect their 1/4-inch seam piecing as well as learn curved piecing on the leaf units to make these beautiful big blossom blocks. ColourBugs and Curves is our most popular workshop to date. With no 1/4-inch seams to stress out about, students get liberated and wonky while making these fancy-free slash and sew cute ColourBug blocks, as well as perfecting their curved piecing while making these easy-to-sew leaf shapes. Conquer Your Fear of Sewing Curves Cosmos is another super popular workshop. Wonky strip piecing combines with easy curved piecing to create this gorgeous, artsy 22-inch Cosmos circle. And for a more relaxing and super fun time, wonky piecing and easy applique makes a great half or full day workshop. Off-kilter and wonky piecing combines with easy machine applique on these super large animal shapes. Students can choose to make a cat, a fish, or a dog in class. Other workshops to choose from are Applique Stitch Lab, Strip In and Stitch In with Paintbox, and the fun half-day workshop Slash and Sew Mod TV. I also offer 3 lectures. My newest for 2022 is Precision Piecing, my best tips and tricks for successful piecing. Our most popular is Got Color, where we share techniques and tips to boost your color confidence. And of course, our ever-popular Colourwerx Trunk Show, always updated and filled with loads and loads of colorful quilts. I invite you to go over to my website at colourwerx.com under the Workshop tab, where you can download my rate sheet and a brochure. So thank you so much for joining me today. My contact information is right here, and I hope to see you either virtually or in person out on the quilt road soon.